Beautiful Thursday. So my message today is, guys, are you, as they say, low-key jealous of others? You guys know that he doesn't like jealousy or envy. So when I say that, when you down low or kind of like low-key talk about others that are doing things that are right, you are jealous and envious. When you do that, you are messing up your blessings and where he wants to take you. And if you are on the other end, where you are one of the people who listens to that and talks about it as well, you still are jealousy and envious of others as well. Everybody has and does what they want and is given what they have is because it's for them. It doesn't have to be for you. You might not like what they like. You might not do what they do. If you do it. You don't have to talk about them or say things that are not pleasing to the soul. When you do that, I really feel and believe that you take time away from yourself. You are actually taking time away from yourself that you can be spending on yourself to gain those things, to gain the confidence to build yourself up. So guys, please, if you don't have nothing good to say about someone, please don't say it. Even if your thoughts are not genuine or not pure, try to work on that as well. Everything is not going to be for everybody, okay? If there's something that somebody else has that you want, do it. Go get it. You have all free will. But let's just don't sit back and talk about people and things like that, because that is a form of jealousy. So whoever this helps, I hope it does. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
back, welcome back, welcome back. So, not too much going on, just trying to freshen up the home a little bit. This garbage can needed to be cleaned out really bad, really bad. Well, not real bad, but y'all know how I go. If any of y'all own this garbage can like this, you know how it can get messy. Because I usually don't tend to use plastic bags, but I found the plastic bag that I'm going to use until it gets full, then I toss it out. But I usually use paper bags in here. So, yeah, guys, what's going on with y'all? I'm having a super chill, relaxed evening. Very good day. I can't complain about anything. This ain't too dirty, y'all. It's not too bad. I know y'all probably seen worse. I try to keep up with everything much as I can, but guys, sometimes it just don't work out that way. You might forget something, but I don't want the kitchen to be stinking. So y'all, pretty soon, hopefully, we can get this table situation going on here. So, like I said, it's either table or we're gonna make. Y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know. Now, I know the table I showed y'all was $200, which I really don't think is that bad because it is 100%. It's some kind of, it's artisan wood. So it's a good brand of wood that I think is worth $200. Or do y'all think we should just go ahead and do what we said, you know, in here, as far as trying out, just to put like a leaf drop table. You can fold it out and just put it in there. This bag smells good. Has a smell to it. But I don't know, somebody must have bought something over here in this because I don't buy plastic garbage bags. But like I said, we're gonna use this one. We're gonna use it until it gets halfway full and I toss it. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. Go ahead and get the table. My thing is this: if you have the money for something and something's not like lacking, then that's a different. I'll come back and watch this. That's a different scenario, but yeah. Let me know. I'm just curious. What do you guys think? Sometimes it's better to save money, and I think depending on like the materials, I'm gonna say it might cost around. Hopefully, I don't think even near $50. It all depends, but I'll bring you guys along, share y'all. But guys, I'm drinking this organic kombucha. This is so good. So good. This is the organic kombucha, grapefruit, ginger, sparkling fermented tea. So this is what I got from the Fresh Time. Super good. But guys, yeah, I'm not doing too much. So this video, trying to keep it under, I'm trying to get it to 10 minutes because, I don't know, I just want it to be like not that long. So anyway, I'm just gonna just show y'all some stuff, I guess. But anyway, y'all, the plant here, I have decided, let me see if we're not bright enough. I have decided to, that's sad that I have to look backwards into the, okay, there we go. I have decided, y'all already know I always change my mind, but I've decided to, because I didn't realize on each one of these, on each one of them right here, let me see if y'all can see. Hold on, I'll show you guys right here. On each one of these, there is 2 plants in here, right? But I didn't realize there's 3 heads on each one. There's one here, one there, one here, one here, one here, one here. I thought it was just 2 on each one. So that, I noticed that it was 3 on each one. When it grows, it's gonna grow out like that when it has the many branches. So guys, what I have decided, I know I'm changing my mind, right? I have decided to, I need 2 flower pots now because I just want 2 flower pots with 2 different plants in. So that makes 2 plants. Like 1 plant makes 2 plants, which is a bonus for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's so pretty. So let me give y'all a close-up shot what I'm saying. So see, there's one here, and then there's one there. And then even on the other side here, there's one here. See, one there, and one there, if you guys can see that. So yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do. And then I took the things out of the thing here. I just was trying to play around with some height, guys. I really was. So I removed the pampas grass. I'm just trying to keep everything minimal. Y'all know I would go crazy. And then even over here, I removed the candle and I put the candle over here with the 3 vases. This is driving me nuts, but once I find me a cabinet, guys, that sits up like that, or either right here, one of these will cover that up, so I wouldn't worry about it, but I want to get rid of that really soon. So yeah, I'm trying to think, do I got any other upgrades? Thanks all of y'all for all of your lovely comments, especially the ones that are pure and dear. You know, some of them I just be like, you said what? You asked what? But I just take it all like, I don't even care. I don't care. It's YouTube, and hey, that's what people do. Sometimes they try to come for you, but it doesn't work, okay? So guys, let me see, what else? Oh, I'll show you what I did with the other pampas grass. Because instead of throwing, some of them I got in the counter, and some of them I have inside the walk-in closet, just in case somebody might say they want some or need some. I'm gonna give it to them. But here is the other pampas grass right there. If you guys were wondering, I wanted to, why are you so, I put it here. Just think it looks good in here. So I just put 3. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Ooh, here we go again. What's wrong? Okay. So that is about it for today. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me for another video. Remember, love yourself so that you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. And remember what I was talking about earlier, my little message to y'all. That stuff is real. That stuff is real. So you better get with the program. So I'm gonna finish having my kombucha tea and relax and get this video to y'all. So guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Please remember to have a productive day. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.